What's up, fam? Welcome back to another video. JK Outdoors. This is Jordan. We are on the move, going fishing. Let's go catch a fish. I'm going to a spot I've never been to before. We're going to South Fork of the Snake River. So it's pretty hot right now. Let's see what it says. 90 degrees. It's 7 o'clock. So we're getting a little late start. Put down the kiddos and gonna see again. Let's catch a fish. I think I'm gonna do a little more lure fishing, but again, I've never really been to this spot, so we'll just see what it brings. Gonna bring both poles, so stay tuned. And I appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, commenting on the videos. So. So we made it to the first spot I kind of scoped out. Got this super strong eddy. It's definitely should be holding fish. So cast the lure in there a few times, see if it works out. If not, might go up or might go down. My environment is giving me away slightly, but if you can find the spot, maybe it's worth it. We'll see in this video. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna start out with the lure, try out the old countdown, maybe countdown brown trout, see how that works out. Came to a new spot. That current was super strong. Like, there might be fish in there, but I actually didn't bring any worms this time to toss, so I'm gonna try not to hook any of these sticks. I'm gonna go down, see if I can find a good spot. Well, instead of wasting kind of my time, this is definitely more like it. You see how calm it is? Just work our way up, maybe. This looks primal. Let's cast the old bad boy, see if we can catch anything. Did you see that out there? Hear that? That beaver just thumped at me. Look right there. Didn't even cast over there. Did you see it again? I've never seen anything like that. Mad. Maybe he's scaring the fish this way. Let's see if he does it again. Oh, there it goes again. Third time. Another not so good fishing trip so far. Still got a little bit of daylight left, but yeah, it's sucking right now. Let's see if we can try to kind of start fly fishing a little bit and see if I could get anything to bite. But might go get in the water and see if we can get something going. Oh. Fish on, baby. Yes. Boy. Oh, let me get my hands wet. I broke the streak. And there he goes. Got him on camera. We finally caught a fish. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Sun's pretty much set. The moon is out, and it's time to go home. Got one fish on the board, broke the streak. Shouldn't have pulled it out of the water so far, but yeah, good times on the river as always. Glad you guys could join along. Pretty sweet little spot here. There's a bunch of fish rising. And so there's definitely fish here, so I'm gonna come back and catch some more. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the next video. Booyah.